Welcome to the Dustoff Fishing, Routh Fishing Show.
What's up?
And yeah, we're gonna go try to whack them. It is early. We are on Pomme de Terre Lake in Missouri.
Beautiful.
And it's April and it's beautiful. So stick with us. Again. Yeah.
My buddy gave me one. I don't think I've ever thrown it.
Well, maybe all the old guys that fish this lake never fished this chatterbait.
Maybe. I know they've seen this cricket I'm throwing a time or two, so. The fish?
Yes, I think it was a fish.
Get you out of a kayak, got hit.
Something.
You ain't got room to do that on a kayak.
I know. Stepped on my damn drink too.
You didn't spill it, you just bent it in half. I mean, it's gonna drink a little weird, but.
There he is.
Alright, we got him.
Yes! No. Largemouth. Crankbait fish, boy! Or not crankbait, chatterbait. Okay.
There's one where your face is in focus and one where the bait's in focus.
You the man, man. Oh, that's fun.
I'm gonna make that one look tiny.
Huh. I don't know what that means.
Like when I catch a fish, I click the button, and it loops the last 5 minutes. It deletes the rest of the footage and just stays the last 5 minutes.
I got a fish.
Yeah. I like that little red.
Oh, I do.
Oh my god, it look very big either. It's hard to tell.
Yeah, buddy. Let him go. Later, bud. I won't tell anybody, I promise.
I don't care if you do.
I have a fish.
I hope so. Let's do all that.
Yeah. I got a big fish, I think. Is that a muskie? Please tell me that's a muskie.
Well, I don't know, but I'm getting the net out just in case. That way I don't have to listen to this the rest of my life. It's not a muskie, it's a bass.
Is it a good one?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah. Yes.
Chunky one.
Yes. Yes, girl. Right where you told me I was going to catch that fish.
Yeah. I'm not a bad guide.
Because I didn't think I had a fish. Thought I had a stump.
There's gonna be a little one here in a little bit. Oh, I wish we'd weighed that one. I'll start weighing them for a minute.
I think they like this little red chatterbait.
They do seem like a little red chatterbait, don't they?
Yeah.
I started throwing my little red crankbait, but I think I'm gonna get moss all over it. Good one.
That is a good one. And that. Boy, spot lock that thing.
Meat.
Here, show it to me. Hold on, let me get a picture. Found the pattern, guess.
Alright everyone, right here on the Pomme de Terre. Found a full grown one. It's been a fun morning. Brandon's caught a bunch of fish.
Hey y'all.
And we're having a fun time. They are biting. Good to get the Pomme de Terre. Hey.
Lake report.
That one.
Winning.
5-5.
Hey, I was right.
That's a big girl.
I got that on video. I was right.
I may have to send you that clip later. Whatever.
Another one. Got another one.
Megan?
Yeah. Decent.
Nice one.
I'll ski him in though, apparently.
Not as big as mine.
You want to weigh it? You said you want to weigh them.
Well, not that one. That one won't be in our bag.
Okay. All right. Excuse me. Right in that corner. I guess they're in the pockets, huh? This is what I would call a pocket.
Yeah.
This looks very crankbaity.
It is. I don't know if you can figure out getting this fucking mall.
I will give it a shot. I don't know that I have the right color. I think I might have to put on a different one. Since you got scissors here.
Yeah, that might be the color. That's a bright ass color.
Yeah, buddy.
Owned a couple, never caught a damn fish on one.
What's funny is this fish, this lure in black,
Yeah.
I think they call it mud bug, caught me all big bass 250 fish. You jig fishing?
You good?
I got a fish.
You?
I think so.
We got it too. Got it. Oh, let's put that color.
We did it. I caught a fish. We're back. Got one.
Second?
I don't know. This feels good. Pretty big. Got him.
I got him.
You got him. You gave me the
I got him.
two-ish.
Yeah, 1 3/4.
Well, we'll add a quarter then. Or 13 1/4. Hey, a spinnerbait caught a fish. That was a fun little bite. That thing hammered it.
Oh, dude. My only piece of advice, if you want any, I think you need to reel that thing a little slower. I don't know how big it is, but
It's pretty big.
I mean, I can see your blades all the way back to the boat most of the time.
So reel it slower.
Yeah.
Seems to me like black and blue
Yeah, it might be time to change the color.
is the
It'd be different. You might throw. I ain't tried white yet. Black and blue is pretty hard to beat. Green pumpkin when it's a big sunny day like today. Green pumpkin's good. Here, I got some. Actually, yeah, you can stick to it. I'm gonna try green pumpkin. Hey, you had one.
Not bad either. We caught him. Okay, see you later.
Take it on. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, jump, bitch. Nope.
Nice.
Had it. I mean, had it.
Hammered. That's the spot right there.
Fishy, fishy.
Okay.
2 and
Bye-bye.
a something. 2 and a something.
Yeah. I don't know. No, that's good. It's small.
Boy, it looks like a good one.
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
He had a weird hook on it. It was like double hooked in his face.
Huh.
Anyway. Later, buddy.
Keep the camera pointed over there for a minute.
Yeah, buddy. Yep. Don't you come at me, you little biznitch. It's not bad.
How heavy a line you throwing on that?
17. Yeah. This guy's got a hook in his mouth.
Has he?
Yeah.
Huh.
Broke somebody off.
Broke them off. I thought they were pissed.
That's not bad. There you go, big guy.
Usually that big one bit it hard. And I've had a couple bite it okay, but most of them I'm just feeling the slack.
Yeah.
Where my line goes from chattering to slack. Like not even a big amount of slack. Like usually the big ones, they'll jump 2 foot of slack in your line. Like
there he is. That's a good one. Ah. This boat flipping thing is fun.
Yeah, that's why we do it. I'm doing it with like a 5-pounder. By just getting under the boat.
That is a wrap. Caught him on a chatterbait, spinnerbait, crankbait, and that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed this fishing trip with myself and Mr. Luke Routh. I'll link his page down below, Luke Routh Fishing, and appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'd appreciate you hit that like button too. Stay fishy.